right. Boy, that's easy to
Really
pick up.
Really easy. Also, whenever you're done mowing, we recommend that you clean out the bottom side of the deck as well. This is perfect for that. You can take the hose right in there, make sure it cleans out the underside, keeps your blade nice and sharp as well.
I thought it was very easy.
Very cool.
That is nice.
I have a single stall garage, so that's perfect.
Oh, no way. And you're telling me, and the oil and gas aren't going to leak out when we do this?
Specially designed gaskets, won't have any oil or gas mixing together, leaking out onto the floor.
Boy, that'd save you a lot of room in the garage.
It's nice that it stands up like that.
Yes. It's a lot less.
Yeah, that's nice.
There we go.
Can't beat that.